This is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an axle for your car. If you want to do a new part, (2D) sketch, choose a plane to draw on. The axle is actually bigger than 0.09, but we're going to use 0.09 because the 3D printer isn't really accurate. And then after our wheels are made, we'll go back and we'll ream them out so they're the exact size of the axle. We'll use 0.09, finish the sketch, then extrude it to whatever length you need your axles to be. If you don't know what it is yet, because your partner's not done drawing, just make it 3 or 4 inches. And you can make it stainless steel. Now, once your partner has come back and they tell you it isn't 3 inches, it's this long, you can do a right click, edit feature, and then change the length of what it should be. So maybe it should have been 3.5. All right, let's say that your front and rear axles are different sizes than each other. If that's the case, I do a save. Make sure you save it in your H drive. What you want to use is your team number. I need to get you your team number. And let's say they're different sizes. So let's say this is your front axle. Now, if your back's a different size, you don't have to redraw this. You can do a save as, and now call it team number 1. Use your team number and call it rear axle. Make sure you got the right one up that you want to edit. So now I have the rear axle, and let's say your partner says, oh, it's actually 4 inches. Do edit feature and change it to whatever your partner says it should be. All right, hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.